Hey guys, today I want to share what I'm cooking today. I have two catfish. There are the like tail part, and I put all to boil here. I'm gonna be making some fry up catfish CHOka, or whatever you call it, like fried catfish with tomato and seasoning. So it's finished here, so now I'm gonna show you the next step. As you can see, it finished boiled, so now I'm gonna strip the flesh. It's boiled for 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna strip the flesh out. As you can see, I stripped the flesh out. I will continue to it, and then you'll see how I will frying it up. Hello, so as I stripped the fish out from the bone, the boiled fish, the boiled catfish. Now I'm gonna add some. Now I prepare some pepper, garlic, onion, some celery, some cardamom, basil, and some thyme. Okay, so I got the fish all stripped out. I have the seasoning here stripped out, and I have some tomato. Next step, cooking. So I put 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, I'm gonna start the frying. Adding the seasoning. That's a quick stir. As you can see, the seasoning is frying. Now I'll be adding in the tomato. And let this fry down. I don't have my tripod, so okay. I gotta let this fry down, then we add it. This time, you still need to fry a little more, but this time I'm gonna put the fish in. At this time, I put the fish in this mixture. I gotta let it fry. So just checking, it's fine, it's coming nice. At this time I'm gonna add some black pepper, put a lid on it, and let it continue to cook. This is a catfish CHOka, also called soup. And it's good, nicely done. So I put some black pepper this time. And let's put a lid and let's continue to cook until it's finished. So we gotta put a lid on this and let it continue to cook until it's finished. Just checking. So now I put a lid and you have to cook a little more. Then it will finish looking all nice and yummy there. At this time, I'll put in a little bit of lemon juice on this, or lime juice, because it's almost there, but quick stir, and it finished. Okay, let's see what's going on here. As you can see, it finished. Nicely done. So this is Zorina Spice. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, as you can see, this broiled catfish with fresh seasoned tomato, fry up with tomato, and today you're gonna eat it with breadfruit. It's nicely done. You can try this recipe. This is Zorina. Thank you guys for watching. This is all the way in South America making this delicious food. Bye.